Hey guys, welcome to another video. We are going to be cooking some baked chicken. This is for my girlies that are on carb diets, no carb diets. This is a quick, flavorful meal that you can make. I started out showing you guys all the seasonings and look how that coated. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. But first I showed all the seasonings, and then to make it stick, I added honey and the white truffle oil. So that's me showing you guys how glazed it came out and how colorful it is. Beautiful. I mean, like, really. Can't wait to put this in the oven. That's me smelling my flowers that I got. So happy. But I had to put on some clothes, get showered up, and get better looking for the camera for you guys, After that, I put the baked chicken into the pan one by one. I only made 5 pieces because this was just for me. This wasn't dinner. So I added a bit of water to the bowl that still had seasoning and glaze in it and added that to the pan with some butter. And then I took that and put that into the oven to bake off for about 45 minutes. Anybody dance while they're waiting for their food to get done? Because I do. But I would just admire myself in the camera, as I usually always do. After the chicken got to a good spot, finally it baked off, I started to get the mixture for the cheese the cheese mixture that I'm going to put on top to bake. Basically kind of like to give you guys an idea, like how you guys were doing the little lamb chops with the Parmesan crust thing. That's what I'm going for. So here's all the ingredients that I used. I melted down the goat cheese and the cream cheese in the microwave. Next, I grated down the fresh cheeses that I wanted to use, and that was cheddar and mozzarella cheese. I could have used my food processor, but I just needed a quick little grate, so I just hand grated it myself. Got a little messy there, but the job got done. We added some Parmesan cheese. Well, I added some Parmesan cheese, some garlic paste. And then the final ingredient was white truffle oil that I drizzled on over there. I'm super fan of truffle. I love truffle. I hate mushrooms, but I do love truffle. I also added onion, and I forgot I also added the ranch packet as well. That was the final ingredient. Once that was all together, I mixed it up so that I can put it on top of the chicken to bake the rest of the way. So that's why it was really important to soften the cream cheese so that you have the mixture come out like that. Yummy. Oof, look at that, guys. Isn't it so amazing? It was so good. So y'all, I had to get into I had to work out, so that's why I just got through glazing it up. Look, y'all, that's how it came out. I don't want to spill name, but ooh. Doesn't it look so amazing? Oh my God, it came out so good, guys. So amazing. Okay, so now that it's out the oven, I'm about to taste it for y'all. So we about to get a little bowl. I just got done working out. So for this meal, I'm not making a side. I'm actually cooking dinner later. This is just me prepping food for myself. I am on a low carb diet, so I don't eat anything. Basically sides I don't eat. So I don't eat pasta, I don't eat potatoes, I don't eat rice. I eat rice, but I can only eat a little bit of it.
So that's basically why you're gonna see me just trying it, right there. A little piece. I'm about to give me a little, share me a little piece. Y'all want some? So this is how she looks. And this is like all I will eat like today. I'll probably eat one more piece and that's like basically it. Let's get into it. How it slid right in there. Look at how juicy. Look at that meat. Oh my god, y'all. With the garlicky cheesy sauce that I made. Let's try it. Let's make sure it's great. It's fresh out the oven, y'all, so I gotta blow it. Mmm. Oh my god, y'all. Wow. Look at that. I want y'all to see the 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 amazingness in this. The skin. Oh, that caramelized, slightly burnt skin, baby. Stop playing with her. Mm, mm. I'm about to drizzle a little bit of honey on this because I like sweet and savory. And that's why I say you can use honey as a way to capture seasoning on your meat. I drenched this chicken in honey and I can't even taste it. That's why I'm adding extra honey right now. I literally put so much honey on the chicken in the chicken when I seasoned it. Great chicken. Like I like honey chicken, hot honey chicken, cheesy honey chicken. So I don't care. I just like a whole bunch of flavors mixed together, please. Look at that. Oh my god, guys, my nose is snotting. That honey. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes. I mean, wow. Mm. Right after a workout, this is what I needed. Mm. Oh my god, y'all. I can't look. My nose is literally getting moist. I know y'all see it. Mm. Y'all are literally about to see me finish this full time. It's that good. Mm. 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 A fresh onion. Ooh. Ooh. That shit is good, y'all. I don't know what else to tell y'all. Like, look at the bun. Look at that glazed bun. I'm greedy. Especially for my own food. All right, y'all. Mwah.
So right here, this is me showing you guys my body progress. I am at 198.0 today. My starting weight was 215. So yeah, this is just me giving you guys an update of what the body is bodying. Literally, my rolls are disappearing from my back. It is so insane and crazy. Stick with me. I'm gonna have a full video on that once I hit my goal weight. But thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe as always, and stay tuned for more content. I'm gonna keep bringing it to you like always. Mwah.